There was a widespread expectation that this budget will be a Make in India budget. For Make in India budget to be real, there were big ticket expectations. One of the big ticket expectations, of course, was GST implementation, which will facilitate doing business easier, less complicated, etc. So there is a reaffirmation that GST will get implemented in 2016, and therefore that's a good mark. The second big expectation is in terms of manufacturing sector is to create infrastructure for the logistics, connectivity through rail, road, water, etc. That we have seen that there is a tremendous focus on creating this infrastructure, and to that extent I would think that manufacturing sectors will welcome this budget. The third thing which people were expecting is in terms of giving some boost to the employment creation. Employment creation is likely to happen only if you support MSME sector. It's well known that every one job that has been created in the main company, there are 15 to 20 associated indirect employment goes through the MSME. As a lot of things has been done in MSME sector, the answer is not quite. So though they have been given some access to funds, I would think that not enough incentivization has been done for MSME segments. The fourth thing that one would look at is availability of power. Availability of power continues to remain as a big concern. We cannot attract people to come to India and do manufacturing, set up manufacturing shop if they don't have enough power. So this is not at all adequately addressed in this budget, and we have a long way to go on this. The other big ticket expectation is in terms of labor reforms. Labor reforms, though has been done about few months back, I would think that it is more peripheral in nature, and core issues like multiplicity of laws and archaic laws, etc., has still not been addressed. The last thing, of course, is in terms of making ease of doing business in India. GAR has been deferred, an inverted tax structure has been taken out, and therefore that will boost the investors' confidence. Overall, I would think that is it a Make in India budget? I would say not quite, but it's not too disappointing either, because I would think that this budget is a building block towards the future budgets, which is more likely to be Make in India budget. Thank you.